Radhe Radhe, my friends. So, this is a pick a pile read where you can choose any one pile intuitively. So, this is pile 1, which is my favorite, my Monday Mystic Tarot, which I always use with amethyst. This is the regular Rider Waite that I use, and this is Green Aventurine, Angel, and this is pile 3, which is the citrine, and my favorite light shear. Okay, so these are the three favorite decks that I mostly use, and one of my favorites. Okay, you can either choose intuitively any one of these, or you can listen if you feel like listening to all the readings from all the three piles. You can listen to it. This is absolutely about people who are especially into no contact situation, and they want to know what their partner is currently thinking and feeling about them, and the main reason, the core reason that your partner is not connecting to you. Okay, I'll try to give you the time frame also, like what is the possibility that they would be connecting. Okay, if they will connect, then what will be the probable time frame for that, and then further I'll give you angel guidance also. Okay, fine. So I'm giving you a few seconds. You can choose the pile, you can close your eyes, you can just deep breathe, and you can choose your pile intuitively. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, this is pile 3. Or you can listen, as I said, you can listen to all the three readings if you feel like. Okay. Radhe Radhe. So you have already chosen the piles, hopefully. Okay. So this was your pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Okay. So now I'll start my readings with pile 1. As I told you that you can listen to all the piles reading. Okay. If you're feeling like that, okay, that your message can be there hidden between all these files, and maybe few of you would have chosen according to your favorite crystal angels. Okay, it's absolutely up to you. If you want to listen to the complete reading and you feel like your partner's message can be there hidden in all the three piles somewhere, okay, so you can listen to it. Fine. So I'll start with pile 1, those who have chosen pile 1. Fine. So my first question would be, especially to those who have chosen pile 1, let me see. At present, what does your partner think about you? See, I'll see what's going on in his or her mind space, and then heart space. Fine. Separately. Let me see what's going on in your partner's mind space for you. If you're in no contact situation specifically. What's going on in your partner's mind space for you, pile 1? Oh, this person is absolutely overthinking a lot of situations. I'll clarify, don't worry. And overthinking every time he or she feels like the way they wanted it to go in the situation, they wanted to take this relationship further, or whatever they had decided, it did not go according to that. So it clearly states, see, so it clearly states that this person is not happy with the situation. Okay, let me see what is there in person's heart space for you. Pile 1, this person's heart space. Oh my god, see, these are the cards that I'm getting. You can see it now. This person wants to reconcile. This person, see, reconciliation is somewhere secondary. See, somewhere secondary. But this person wants an absolute, it can be a meeting face to face or a heart to heart conversation with you. This is it. Pile 1. This is very clearly visible. Now let me see if this is there going on in this person's mind, then what is the reason that this person is not connecting to you? Okay, universe, please give us the straight away message that one reason this person is not connecting to pile 1 people. Okay, let me see. Oh, this person is waiting for the right timing. See, those who know tarot, this is judgment. Here, 7 of Pentacles. It clearly means, see, I'm showing you the cards also. This is what I do just now. Okay, so this person is clearly, waiting for the right moment. Let me see. What could be the right moment? Either the right moment to connect to you, or some plans like how to come forward, because this is very clearly visible that this person is, there is a craving from within to reconcile, because there's so many cards and this one flipped off. This is Nine of Swords. This clearly means this person is absolutely spending sleepless nights. See, I'm doing this reading in front of you. No, you all can see this person is absolutely spending sleepless nights over you. I need to see. When is this person going to connect? Because this person will definitely connect to you. Let me see. What could be the possible time frame? What is the possibility that this person will connect to you? Just a minute. What is the possibility? What could be the possible time frame that this person may connect to you? Okay. This is a timeless read. Between, must be within 3 weeks time. Within 3 weeks means this person may connect to you anytime within this 3 weeks. Very, very, very clearly. I don't even need to dig. Whatever, see, this, what happens is at times when we draw these messages from the universe, what happens is there are so many messages which is very puzzling, in fact, for us also, and then we need to dig a little deeper. Yeah, but though itna clear aa raha, it means this is something which is very prominent in this person's mind for you, pile 1. Okay, God bless you. And I'll give you the guidance at the last for pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Okay, stay tuned. Now, those who have chosen, oh my favorite angel, those who have chosen pile 2, okay, let me see what your person is currently thinking about you. I'll see what's going on in this person's mind space, then heart space, then I'll see further, okay? Pile 2, those who have chosen pile 2, just a minute. Pile 2, let me see what's going on in this person's mind space for people who have chosen pile 2. Oh, this person is talking to you from somewhere. And this person is expecting that you may approach this person. My goodness. See, stalking means this person is, it's like, suppose the person is picking up the phone. Okay, the person is picking up the phone, and whenever there is some message to this person is trying to see uska message aaya hai kya, has she done message ya usne message kiya hai kya, aisa wala scene. This person is absolutely into this spending a lot of time online. Obviously, आप कहाँ पे मैसेज करते होगे? Maybe on Instagram, maybe on WhatsApp, and this person is stalking you somewhere. I don't know stalking where. It can be watching your DP if you don't put your status. It can be watching your social media if you're not even posting there. This person must be having so many photographs of yours, and this person is absolutely, but this person is expecting some communication from your end. Let me see what is going on in this person's heart space. It means this person's heart desire for you, pile 2. This person's heartfelt desire for pile 2 people. What does this person want from pile 2 people? Oh, this person wants you to change your perspective. Okay, this person is, I told you, this person is holding back communication because this person is, there are 2 factors. First, he or she is expecting some messages from your end. Okay. On the other hand, this person wants you to change a little bit. There are so many, see, this, I'm just reading his mind and heart space. I'm not judging you. I'm not telling you ki you should change. This is there in this person's mind. You should change some of your way out. Let me see what kind of change this person wants in you. Let me see what kind of change. Oh, this can be an absolutely third-party situation. There are high possibility that you are influenced by somebody else as per this person. This is absolutely clear that At present, I don't know what had happened earlier, but at present, there is nobody else other than you in this person's life. But this person wants you absolutely to, I mean, see, there can be two scenarios. या तो उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि आपको इस बात की गलत फहमी है कि उनकी लाइफ में कोई और है और आप ये सब गलत फहमियों की वजह से यू आर नॉट कम्युनिकेटिंग टू दैट पर्सन. Okay, on the other hand, this person wants no influence in between his and your relationship. Don't go behind genders, okay? His or her, ये मत सोचिए. Just think about your partner, okay? आपके और उनके बीच में this person doesn't want any third party influence. Means third party doesn't always mean any male or female. No. This can be anybody. It can be friends or family or anybody. कितनी बार friends भी होते हैं ना जो कान भरने का काम करते हैं, उल्टी सीधी बातें समझा देते हैं. कुछ चीजें उन्होंने देखी, अब उसमें थोड़ी मैनिपुलेशन करके लोग आप तक पहुंचा देते हैं. तो ये भी सीन हो सकता है. This is the possibility. See, whatever scenario I'm explaining to you, this can happen to any of you who are watching. कुछ सिचुएशन ऐसी हो सकती है जो आपकी लाइफ में नहीं है, तो जो लोग सुन रहे हैं उनमें से किसी और की लाइफ में होगी. जो आपसे रेजोनेट करता है, टेक व्हाट रेजोनेट्स एंड लीव द रेस्ट. ओके, फाइन. लेट मी सी नाउ. आई नीड टू सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Let me see what could be the possible action from this person, if this person will take any actions. I'll find out, don't worry. Absolutely not. I felt it. This person is not going to take, not at all. This person is not going to take any actions because this person is absolutely into pain. See, you would have told something to this person. आपने कोई तो बात इस इंसान को ऐसी बोली है कि this person is absolutely, मतलब this person is very hurt, very, very, very hurt. Something that you have spoken and something which has happened in the past. Okay, very, very, very hurt. So I don't see that this person is taking any actions for the upcoming 1 month at least. Let me see, will he take any actions? If you are in the mood not to take any actions, let me see, will this person take any actions if you are absolutely not communicating? Is there any possibility? Yes, this person may come up. I told you now, for the upcoming 1 month, this person is not going to take any action. This person is just observing you somewhere, stalking you on social media, and this is, although आप ये मत सोचिए कि मैं आपको गलत चीजें सिखा रही हूँ, but if you feel like somebody is stalking you, तो आप उनको कुछ दिखाएं. I mean, show them something on the platter. देखो, I'll give you a tip. Although universal guidance I'll be giving you at the last, but होता क्या है? Other than being an astrologer, I'm a law of attraction coach also. According to that, I'm making you understand. जब आपको लगे ना कि कोई इंसान आपको स्टॉक कर रहा है, तो try to portray your life as a very happily, as if you are very happy into your life. और ये portray करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is very obvious. No, you should focus on yourself. Enjoy your life the most. Post it. I'm so sorry, मैं गलत चीज़ें नहीं सिखा रही हूँ, but this is what I have seen that people, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि लोग जब देखते हैं कि you're enjoying your life without this person, so वो चीज़ें उसे trigger कर जाती हैं. Okay? I'm not asking you to follow these things, but this is just an idea because this stalking thing is very heavily from his or her side. Okay? And after 1 month, if this person has to take any action, he or she will take after 1 month only. Okay, God bless you, and I'll seek universal guidance at the last. Fine. Chalo. Now I'll come to those. I'll start reading for those who have chosen pile 3. Okay, citrine. You would have chosen this pile because of this. This can be your favorite crystal angel. It's my favorite also. Citrine. Let me see people who have chosen pile 3. What's going on in your person's mind space and heart space for you, pile 3? At first, to the mind space. Let me see what's going on in this person's mind space for you. If you are in no contact situation, pile 3 people, okay? Those who have chosen pile 3. What's there in this person's mind space? This person wants to fight for this connection. There is no doubt behind it. But ऐसा है, it's like their way or the highway. This person has certain terms and conditions. Terms and conditions means past में कुछ चीजें ऐसी हुई होंगी. Something would have happened in the past which जिसमें कि he or she was not very comfortable. with the situation. Okay. See, before reconciliation, if you ask me, does this person want any reconciliation with you? Let me see what's there in this person's heart space, then I'll tell you, okay? Absolutely, because I have already read this person's mind. No? This person has got some certain realization about you. Let me see what kind of realization. What kind of realization is this? This person is feeling as if you are least interested in him or her. आपके साइड से उन्हें पता नहीं क्यों ऐसी वाइब्स आ रही है कि लगता है वो इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं है. द वे यू कम्युनिकेटेड टू दिस पर्सन लास्ट टाइम, उसके बाद या फिर हो सकता है आपने बिल्कुल भी अप्रोच नहीं किया. सो दिस पर्सन इज एब्सोल्युटली इनटू टू माइंड्स. एट टाइम्स दिस पर्सन बहुत मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं इन्हें. एट टाइम्स इन्हें लग रहा है कि इज शी रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन कनेक्टिंग टू मी, इज शी नॉट, or is she really waiting for me? Because this person absolutely wants a reconciliation. See, I'm doing this reading in front of you all now. You can see the cards. This person absolutely wants reconciliation. This is there in his subconscious mind. उनको चाहिए. Let me see, will this person take any actions towards you? Let me see. Will this person take any actions towards you, pile 3 people? Any actions towards you? For the people who have chosen pile 3, your partner's actions towards you, if any. Not exactly now, at least for the next 1 month. This person is, oh my god, so much overthinking, too much of overthinking. Overthinking what? Oh, fear of rejection. This person has a fear of rejection from your side. What if अपने ईगो को साइड करके, कीपिंग एवरीथिंग असाइड, द पर्सन इज कमिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड यू आर एब्सोल्युटली रिजेक्टिंग दिस पर्सन, रिजेक्टिंग. ईगो हर्ट हो जाएगा. डोंट नो व्हाई. इन लोगों को जरूरत क्या है? दिस पर्सन एक्चुअली वांट्स टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस. एट टाइम्स मैंने बोला ना, इन्हें मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं. मूड स्विंग्स का मतलब ये होता है टू माइंड्स में है. वो क्या है? आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू वेरी क्लियरली. सी, कभी इस इंसान को ऐसा लगता है कि you are not interested into this person. What if this person is coming forward and you reject him or her? Ego hurt हो जाएगा. ठीक है? On the other hand, मुझे लगता है if no, this can be my overthinking and this person is running away from that. नहीं, मुझे overthink नहीं करना. But this person has not yet decided. And regarding the time frame, as I told you, see, I have not seen any planning yet, and for the upcoming 1 month this person is not taking any actions. Can be a possibility that afterwards he or she may take any actions. We'll do further readings, we'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'll give you for pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3, I'll give you angel guidance. Okay, pile 1 angel, pile 2 angel and pile 3 angel. Let me seek guidance for you. This is my favorite deck for giving you guidance from your angels. Pile 1 people, what you should do at present. Angels, one straight away answer please. Oh, the angels are asking you to keep patience. Like what? Let me see. Let me clarify, pile 1. Oh wait, see, your angels, pile 1, your angels are telling you to keep patience, not to give up on this connection, because this person, there is somebody whom you love, whom you are waiting for. This person will definitely approach. This is just a matter of time. Actually, as per angels, you are also overthinking the situation. Which, आप बहुत ज़्यादा जब नेगेटिव सोचोगे किसी के बारे में, सिचुएशन के बारे में, कि लगता है वो कभी नहीं आएगा या कभी नहीं आएगी, वो चीज़ें लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट होने लग जाती है. थिंक पॉजिटिव. मतलब this is positive manifestation. Okay, you know what I'll share so many very powerful manifestation techniques also later on. Okay, sometime I'll make some YouTube videos. Now people, oh my angel, please give guidance for people who have chosen your pile angel. Pile 2, your universal guidance. Let me see, pile 2. Universal guidance for pile 2 people. Universe is asking you to stay grounded. Universe is asking you not to chase the person. And next time when this person appears, See, universe is clearly stating, universe is giving you this statement, this person is definitely, you both will definitely reconcile. But this time, whatever the situation is, doesn't matter, please keep patience. Don't be loud, don't be over expressing yourself ki what do you want in the situation. No, let him or her come and let him or her speak out his or her heart out. Okay, आप सुनिए, समझिए कि वो क्या चाहते हैं, because there should be an equal give and take, no? Balance. This relationship was not at all balanced previously. That is why universe is giving me such guidance. Okay, for pile 2 people. Okay, focus on yourself till then, stay grounded. Please do not chase this person, because there are high chances that this person must return. Okay, now guidance for those who have chosen pile 3. One of my favorites, Citrine Angel. Angel, please give me the guidance for people who have chosen pile 3. Guidance, what they should do now. Angel, please tell me what they should do now. Oh, I just flipped up. I'll take it. Universe is clearly telling you that there will be something which will be very stable. It's upcoming. The stability is coming into your life. You don't need to overthink anything. You are overthinking a lot. Please don't. Stability will be there, and there is something for which you have always wished for. It will definitely come true. Although it will take time, because there is some even if, for example, if you don't want to continue with this person, there can be cases you just want this person to come back, apologize, and then this person can leave. You will quit the situation. If some of you are having such kind of mindset, then also this person will come. Definitely. There is some unfinished business. This person will come up to finish it. There are so many things which is unsaid. तो वो बिना बताए, वो बिना एक्सप्रेस किए वो इंसान रह ही नहीं सकता. Try to understand. Okay, so this was your guidance for pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. God bless all of you. And those who did not get a very positive reading, I'm so sorry. This is what I saw, and always I'm doing readings in front of you. God bless you. Radhe Radhe.